it's Steffi and welcome to another video on my channel. So today I'm going to be doing that Google Picks My Makeup Look tutorial kind of video that's been going around YouTube, and I thought it'd be a really fun idea to do, especially since I've been donated some makeup to me, so now I have plenty of makeup to do this look with. So I heard that what you have to do is go on Google and just look up, like, put your your first and last initial and then put look and then see what pops up. So let me do that. So I got my phone here and then an ad pops up.
Today's video is once again sponsored by Root Car Insurance. Their car insurance.
I'm gonna put SB look. So I put SB look for Steffi Blue. Wow, so the first photo that pops up for me, sorry, is this one. I'm trying to make it big, like the photo big. So the first photo is this is my photo. It's a man, come on. It's a man basically, and he is sitting on a railing next to a plant, and he has a skateboard that looks kind of yellow and red and purple and white and black, and then his shoes are blue and his outfit is navy blue. So I'm gonna try to see if I could do a yellow, blue, maybe black and white, reddish look. We'll see. Okay, so that's my inspiration, so let's get started. So I should do my eyebrows first, which I totally forgot to do, so I'm gonna do that first, and then I'm gonna come back and do my eye makeup. Okay, so I did my eyebrows and I primed my eyes, so I am gonna start doing the look now. So let me just look through my makeup just to see what colors I could use or should use. Okay, so I don't have yellow, but I do have like some gold, so I'm going to be using some gold for this look. So what I'm going to be doing first is I am going to be doing a transition color, or using a transition color. I know there's a lot of fallout, but you know, that's why I don't do my foundation first. So I'm done with that color. So now I'm going to be using a darker blue color. It looks like that. It's actually more of a blue color. I'm gonna take a gold color and put that like right here, so. So now I'm gonna wipe a little bit away because that was like, I don't know if that one would stay, so I'm gonna try a different gold just to make sure that one stays. I'm gonna blend. So how does that look? So now I'm going to take the same blue I used in the very first blue I used, and I'm going to like spread it more outer on this area just so that you can see it even when I open my eyes, because since I have hooded eyes it's kind of hard to see color. I know there's a lot of fallout, but I have not good brushes, so I'm gonna have to deal with that for a while. See, this is why I don't do my foundation first, because I can fix it later. I'm just adding more of that transition color a little bit on the top. Okay, so now I'm going to do my foundation, and I'll be right back to kind of finish up the eye look. Okay, so I did my foundation and I put powder and I did a little bit of contour, so now I'm gonna finish up the eye look. So this is how it's starting to look. I am going to start highlighting my brow bone. That was a lot, I know. Okay, now I kind of blended it out a little bit. And now I'm going to do the other side. So I'm gonna add my eyeliner and then like continue doing like the bottom lid. Okay, so now I did my eyelashes and eyeliner. I'm gonna try and take a darker bluish color than what I originally used, so you can go over, because it's looking a little bit green and not like blue. This color but not, and put it like right here and like a highlight sort of. And now I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eye, because that's a thing that I like to do a lot. So in the photo there was a hint of red on the skateboard, so I'm thinking about putting a hint of red. Let me see the photo again. So the red on the skateboard is like a light red, as you can see, so I am going to be putting on this red lipstick. I almost forgot the highlight, so I just got my very first ColourPop highlight, and I'm really happy I did because it's so beautiful. So I'm going to do that. Put the highlight on. Whoa. You know, this highlight's so soft, I'm just gonna put the other side of my fingers because it's that soft. Wow. Oh, it's really pigmented and really shimmery. And then I'm gonna put some on my nose. And I'm going to just color it off a little bit. Oops, I dropped my mirror. And then I'm just going to put a little bit on my Cupid's bow. This is the completed look. My hair is actually a mess at the moment. Gotta take my clip off. But this is my hair at the moment, and this is the makeup look, so you know, I got some makeup on my hair, but was whatever. So this is the Google Chooses My Makeup challenge. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was a good video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I know my video wasn't as energetic and like as as the same as the other ones. I don't really talk a lot in my videos like this, unless I do voiceovers, which this one I don't plan on doing a voiceover for. But it was still fun to do it, and I kind of like this look. And I hope you like this look too. If you like this video, please give it a like or a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think of this video. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye!